Come with me on my drive from Westfield up to Blandford, Massachusetts. There's the sign for the fair on the left. My grandparents are from Blandford, and I've been volunteering at the Blandford Fair every Labor Day weekend for years. There's a few years I've missed, but I'm back and I'm always in the youth hall. I like that the best. Blandford is tiny, teeny tiny. I will show you in a moment. They have a store coming up on the right. I used to call it Great Grandma's Store. There it is. City or town offices on the right, chapel on the left, and straight ahead is the Blandford Historical Society. And there is the White Church. It's a First Congregational Church. It's always been called the White Church. And here we are coming up to the fairgrounds. People are coming up now to get ready. There are people working around the grounds, getting them ready. You'll hear the tractors in the background. It'll sound like a little zip, though, because I've got everything speeded up. This building is now the youth hall. Back in the 1800s, it was built by Snow and Hayes, who had a store in Westfield, and they would come up and sell their wares in the fair. I have been slowly cleaning this building. I came up the other day, youth hall the day before I made this video, and I walked around these counters and I swept the rafters and I swept the floor and I just let the dust settle, and now I'm back to vacuum, and I swept, and I'll be back on Thursday morning and I will vacuum one more time. People bring their entries to the fair on Thursday, and I will arrange everything in the youth hall and prep everything for the judges. Everything is judged Friday morning. The fair opens 4 o'clock Friday evening. Come and see us.